Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our learning for today for the 16th of February 2024, how the market moved. I did send some levels in my Telegram channel as well. Uh, Sorry, I can't every day I can't analyze the market because I just been busy with trading and a lot of other things. So let's start how the market moved today. Let me close this RSI. In fact, I minimize it. Right. This is a 15-minute chart, and 15-minute chart, you can see Asian low, Asian high, London low, London high. So we'll look, first of all, every day you need to mark the daily levels, which are basically, this is a daily level here. For the to fill the fair value gap, the candle, and this is one daily level here, and this was this was to fill the fair value gap on daily, it was here. Now in 4 hours we still have some fair value gap here, so we can expect the market go further to the upside. Now what's this daily, this side is this line corresponds to this daily level here, so it's broken. Now market is moving fast. So our next stop could be up into 4 level here, which is 2017 level, and then next stop could be around 2023 onwards. And then if the market keeps moving, we'll go further to the upside. So always make sure you take the confirmation before you trade. This was a daily level, as you can see here. And also, it was not a like proper W pattern, but it was similar to that. So market tested this mid part of the W. Let me put into a line chart, and we may be able to see. Yeah, it was not a proper as W part, but it looks like W part, W pattern. So now how the market moved. Market took this liquidity here, tested this level on the news, display, and on the other news, market moved to the upside. We had two news today, and now it's moving to the upside. Sorry, candle change. Now we definitely can see the movement to the upside. Normally on Fridays, we just see one-sided movement. This is a weekly chart, and today it was one-sided, but market took the liquidity from here around 1995 level. So if you, and also in daily, you can see that this evening star rejection candle on the level. That was a very good sign, because also we had this bullish candle as well. We had a confirmation as soon as market tapped on this level. That was a buy trade here, and look how many pips, 2014 nearly now, and starting from 1996. So almost 200 pips in one direction. And for sell, we had 2020 about 100 pips. So even if you smaller time frame, you took smaller time, let go of smaller time. You could have took some some pips from here to this level, and when this is broke further to the upside, and also for the sell side, we had this trade here. That was, although it was on the news, but going into smaller time frame, you can always take a risk here, put a smaller stop loss, and go to the market went to the downside. So there's always, if your risk to reward ratio is good and market direction is good, you take trades in the direction, then always you'll be in profit. So I hope this is helpful, and always make sure you practice anything you learn, because without practice, you can't get rid of your bad habits of trading, which you already have, and you can't make profit. Okay, just again, and this is an overview what I have told you. Daily levels, daily close, always watch for with the market. Taking liquidity from daily level, the very important level. Also Asian low and high and London low and high. Break out of them. Sometimes liquidity take from there. So direction of the market in different time frames that can, and multiple time frame analysis can help you as well in this. So okay, I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye.